وَاتْلُ عَلَيْهِمْ نَبَأَ إِبْرَاهِيمَ, and recite to them the news of Ibrahim. O Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, tell the story to the people of Makkah about Ibrahim alayhi salam. إِذْ قَالَ لِأَبِيهِ وَقَوْمِهِ مَا تَعْبُدُونَ, when he said to his father and his people, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, when said to his father and his people, what do you worship? قالوا نعبد أصناما فنظل لها عاكفين. They said, we worship idols and we will remain devoted to them. قال هل يسمعونكم إذ تدعون. He said, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam said, do they hear you when you call? أَوْ يَنْفَعُونَكُمْ أَوْ يَضُرُّونَ, or do they benefit you or harm you? قَالُوا بَلْ وَجَدْنَا آبَاءَنَا كَذَلِكَ يَفْعَلُونَ. They answered to Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, they said, nay, but we found our forefathers doing so.